What hurts more, losing your money or losing your best friend? Lucas and Ryan grew up together. From childhood, they shared the same dreams. They studied together, worked hard together, and always supported each other. Years passed, and their hard work paid off. Lucas became a successful businessman. Ryan became a famous writer, just like he had always dreamed. They were proud of each other. Their friendship seemed unbreakable. But one day, everything changed. Lucas's business began to fail. Money was disappearing and plans were falling apart. He tried everything, but nothing worked. Finally, Lucas decided to ask Ryan for help. They met. At first, they talked normally, but soon. Lucas spoke about his problem. Ryan listened carefully. Then he smiled. "I understand," he said. "Let's solve this together." Ryan gave everything. His money, his ideas, his energy. Step by step. Lucas's business recovered. Lucas was saved. Their friendship grew even stronger. But soon after, life tested them again. Ryan's publishing company went bankrupt. His books were rejected. His popularity faded, and his income disappeared. One evening, Ryan stood in front of Lucas's house. He knocked. When Lucas opened the door, Ryan said quietly, "I need your help." But Lucas stopped him. "If you're not successful anymore, maybe you're not talented enough. I'm sorry. I can't help." And he closed the door. Ryan stood there, in silence. He didn't argue. He didn't shout. He simply turned and walked away. Time passed. Ryan didn't give up. He built his own publishing company. He printed his own books, and slowly, success returned. He became strong again, even stronger than before. One night, someone knocked on Ryan's door. It was Lucas. "I came for advice," he said. Ryan looked at him calmly. "Do you remember when you refused to help me?" Lucas said nothing. Ryan continued, "I lost money." "But you lost something more. The true face of a person is revealed in difficult times. Only those who don't betray their friends understand what friendship really means. Anyone can stand with you in success, but only true friends stand with you in failure." If this story touched your heart, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more daily English stories.